Hello everyone. Happy Diwali. May you and your loved ones be blessed with love and abundance. So today being a festive day, we do not have a Kapi Poha session on Insta Live today. So I thought I'll take you through the journey of Nimittam. So before that, I wanted to tell you more about myself also. I'm Smita Omeshan, a chartered accountant by qualification. I have around 16 plus years of experience in banking and finance industry. And recently I took a sabbatical to experience life through travel. And once I was back, I went through this transformation journey and I found my life's purpose. So that's when Nimittam's journey began. So Nimittam is a Malayalam word which means reason or indication of good omen. So my father used to use this word a lot and he used to say, Ellatinoru Nimittam ender. So for whatever happens in your life, there is a reason behind it. So that's why I kept this beautiful name for my platform. What I would like to share through this platform is my dreams and passion with everyone. So recently we've come up with few initiatives under Nimittam. First being the Kapi Poha session and another being the Unknown series. So what does it mean is, we started this journey in the month of August and I started writing every Wednesday by the name Unknown series, where I share my lessons or learnings in the form of posts in LinkedIn, Facebook and Insta. And on Navratri day, I started with this chat show called Kapi Poha Sessions. But the name Kapi Poha is very unique. So Kapi and Poha represents two very close, very important cities for me. And these cities are very close to my heart. One is Bangalore and one is Mumbai. That's because I've met a lot of people from these two cities and I have friends whom I call family from these two cities. It doesn't mean that I do not have people from other cities, but it just basically means that majority of my friends whom I call family belong to these two cities, and these two cities are very close to my heart as well. So in this chat show, what I try to do is to bring people from my life whom I've met in my life's journey to share their insights or their journey or their experiences with us. So probably we've had 4 episodes till now under this chat show. The first one being on books basically. So this entire series is called World of Books, which we are running from October to November. And in that first episode, the person who came was Manoj Sonavne, who's an author and who wrote a book called Learning 2.0. And it's a very, very interesting book on learning. And he told us and he gave us a very useful insight that if we take out 15 minutes daily from our time or from our day basically, we can cultivate the habit of reading. Second episode, there was a person called Manoj Nambudri. He shared his insights regarding like there's so much of joy in giving and sharing, and also you should enjoy little moments of life. The third person who came on the third episode was Smriti Raghav, who was an NLP coach, and she told us that we should be resilient in life, we should be persistent towards our goal. And last Saturday, which was our fourth episode, Priya was the person who came and talked to us about books as well as trekking, and she shared her experiences of life and she told us that she does things which makes her heart flutter, and she was giving us the same message as well, that we should do things in our life which makes our heart flutter. So we met few interesting people till now. So another 2 episodes about books and a combination of something very interesting with those books. So 2 interesting speakers are going to come to speak about it, and once this November is over, we'll be starting a new series called Celebration Through Life. Celebrating life or Celebrate Through Life. Wherein the people who will be coming will also be very interesting and they'll be sharing their own experiences and their life's journey as well. So at the end, what do we want to do with all this chat show, all these initiatives which we are taking under Nimittam? So the end result of these or whatever you want to call it, I want to leverage these experiences and take it to the next level by conducting workshops basically. So what kind of workshop is the next question? I know the workshops are in the form of life skills, experiential learnings, and what you call growth mindset. And this is just to help people cope up with the hardships of life. And basically these workshops are for youngsters. And I probably plan to start this workshop not this year, maybe end of next year or 2022. That's the plan so far. So the agenda is this much only for Nimittam. So let's catch up next Saturday with an interesting episode, with an interesting guest. Till then, bye.